Here's a quick look at 3 problems. In this Reddit post, OP creators split lines on the body with the intention of offsetting these faces. However, the offset created these unwanted faces. To get around this, consider using split body instead of split faces. We can split the body using the same sketch. With this slice becomes an independent body. If we perform the offset face now, we do not change the geometry of the adjacent faces of the other bodies. After this, simply combine the bodies back into a single solid body. I'm sure many of you have faced this problem before. You try to extrude a profile to an object. But you get an error message that says that the profile falls outside the boundary of the selected body. In this case, I'm trying to extrude this circle onto the body below. Looking from the top, the circle falls outside the boundary of the body. We can employ surfaces to help us. Activate the Surface workspace. Go to Create, Offset. Select the faces involved. Let's set an offset of 2 mm so that the extrusion will be 2 mm away from this body. If we extrude up to this surface body, you will face the same error. Go to Modify, Extend. Select the external edges and extend the surface body. Make sure that you extend enough to completely overlap the circle sketch. Perform the extrude up to this body. Let's take a look at this last problem, which I found on the SolidWorks subreddit. OP is trying to create a lip around the top edges of this model. I'm going to show one way to approach this. We are going to leverage off this existing top face. Activate the Surface workspace. Go to Create, Offset. Select this chain of top faces. We want the lip to be 1 mm thick, so I'm going to adjust the distance to 1 mm. This creates a surface body 1 mm offsetted from the top face. Go to Modify, Split Face. Select this face to split. Select the surface body as a splitting tool. Now we just need to offset this split face to create the lip. Activate the Solid Workspace. Go to Modify, Offset Face. Select the split face and adjust the offset.